Janelle. This is my very first YouTube video, and in this video today I'm going to be unboxing my parakeet's cage and toys, all of the things that I've purchased for him, for his cage. So that's what this video is about, and this is my bird cage and everything, and you know, I'm very much excited. This is a little backstory. Me and my son, we are very used to having pets. We've had pets for 14 years. My son's very first pet was a parakeet, which everybody knows, if it's your child's pet, is your pet. So it was my pet. And he lived for 13 years. So I'm very experienced when it comes to living with birds. I love birds so much. I mean, I just love the sound of birds. I cannot wait. We had a Yorkshire Terrier who lived for 14 years, and we just miss both of them so much. Anyhow, I had lived in complete silence for 3 years, so now it's time to get back into having pets. So I'm just so excited. So this video, I'm going to take you along with me when I go and pick out my bird. So right now, today, I'm just going to take everything out of the box, put the cage together, have everything ready, and then we're going to shoot off to the pet store. So let's go. So let's go. Let me take everything out the box. This is the bottom tray, of course. This is, you know, a part of the cage. Set that in there really quickly. Top of the cage. The side of the cage. So I'm going to put this together really quickly, and then I'm going to unbox the toys and everything.
I have to get, the rest of the trays and everything out the box. The little poles that they stand on is pretty much almost together. Put the top part on.
So of course, my very first video, I had technical difficulties. So what I was saying was, this is how the cage is looking right now. That's the pull-out tray that you must put newspaper or something down because birds are extremely messy. And I'm about to add the toys and everything to the cage. Everything is like brown wood. It gives you that whole rattan feel because I really love brown. I really love rattan. Anything that's like boho. Even though I'm very girly and I love colors as well, but they are my two main decor colors. So the cage has to reflect that. So just keep watching, and my mouth is going to be moving, but again, just keep watching, and then you'll see me add all the toys and everything. And the little bathtub. With this bathtub, this was actually my first time buying a bird's bathtub, really. So I'm excited about this, and of course it's brown. As I mentioned, I just love browns, and I'm going to be pulling out a lot of other items that I purchased from Amazon. So just watch, and you'll see those. And I had already pre-cut the bags. I mean, this video is, it's going to be kind of long for my first video, but I mean, it is what it is. These are all the things that I purchased, just really colorful. Not all of them, but some of them are colorful toys, and it's just going to be loud. There's lots of bells and things like that, and I'm just excited. I'm really excited. There's the swing, kind of like a ladder type swing thing. I like it. It's really cute. So this cage is pretty big. The two cages that we had previously, they were smaller cages. So this is a rather nice size cage. And I think everything's going to fit in there very well. It's not going to look too cluttery or anything like that. it's just going to be really, really nice. And it's just going to be a lot going on. And I'm sure I'm going to add more toys because birds, they get bored with toys very fast. So it's, like a great idea to add and take away as time go on so that they won't get too bored. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to just purchase one or two birds when I first go to the store. I'm not really sure yet. I may just get one right away and then graduate. But definitely stay tuned for more videos based on pets, lifestyle, and everything in between. And I'm sure that you will really enjoy this channel. I'm sure you will. So this is what I'm working with right now. Everything that I have thus far is in the cage, and I think it turned out really cute. So I'm hoping that my parakeet likes it just as much as I. So I guess we shall see, because we're on our way up out of here and to the pet store. But first, I do want to say that children and pets just bring so much more joy in one's life. And the last 3 years that I didn't have any pets was, it was really liberating, but I kind of miss pets. And my son is all grown, by the way. So, yeah, it's just me. And here we go. I'm back into the swing of things. And this is only the beginning. I do want to say, if you've made it this far in the video, please do not hesitate to subscribe. It's going to be so much fun over here. Hello. Excuse me. See what we got. Are these all the birds you have right now? Oh, look at that white one. That's a no. Are these all the birds you have right now? Oh, in the back? Okay. Thank you. Oh, wow. They're pretty big. Look at the prices, y'all. You got to be kidding me. $699. That's a no. That's a damn dog. He's in here. He is in here. Seemed like he probably scared.